Hello everybody, welcome back to Krus'n Outdoors. Today I'm out with my really good friend on the boat with no name. And we're doing some topwater fishing, specifically Whopper Plopper. So, what this thing's gonna do is swim through the water, and this, like a propeller, is gonna shoot the water in the air, stimulating the fish so he comes up and grab it. Now, when do you use this? Well, use it if you're a slalom skier and you can spray a good 10-12 feet of air and the water's that calm. I'd say you can go ahead and use the Whopper Plopper. AKA, you want the water calm as possible. Try to find coves in a larger lake, bays. In this instance, we got a grass line that's actually in the middle of a lake. What I'm going to try to do is cast this along that line. Now let's say I was up in I had a trolling motor and I'm right up next to it. Well, then I can go ahead and cast down these sides. Right now, I'm just going to hit it like it's a clock. I'm going to go counterclockwise because the wind's going this way. That's neither here nor there. I'm going to cast it. By the way, using a leader in Fireline, not a good idea. I just didn't take the time today before the video to switch. I apologize, but we can get to that in the comment section as well. So, start off. Go ahead and give it a cast. Right when it hits the water, go ahead and get it going. Keep your tip at an angle where you can set it hard, okay? If your tip's up here, you don't have any room to set it, you're gonna miss the fish, or you're not gonna set it hard enough. Now, how fast do you want to reel it in? Well, you're gonna want it spraying water, but you're not gonna wanna go too fast. Reason is, I've missed a lot of fish this year who hit behind it. And then I try to slow it down, and maybe they hit it again, maybe they don't. Try to cast it in the same region and hopefully get lucky. But the point is, try to get it on your first one. Now let's say you're trolling. Let's say right now, let's say we're trolling this way. I'm going to want to cast it that way. Well, or at least be vigilant. Casting it that way, what I got over here is tension in the line. When I set the hook, it's going to get in their lip, and the set's going to be that easy, that easier. Well, if we're trolling at a pretty good pace and I'm going that way, let's say I cast it at 2 o'clock, well, I'm already going towards that. So I need to speed this up because the boat's naturally going that way in order to get a sufficient hook set. Now, I don't have the luxury of video editing at this time, so if I get a fish, it'd be a miracle. But while I'm hoping for one, let's get to the subscriber Krus'n question of the week. What is your favorite simple pleasure that is PG? Mine would have to be the Q-tip. Versatility, right after a volleyball game, to stand out. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. The lure's going to stay on the top of the water, so as long as you don't cast it into the weeds, try to stay at a shallower depth. If the fish are, 8 to 12 feet down, the odds are they're not coming up. If you're in 5 to 7 feet of water, even if there's patches of grass everywhere, if you miss them at that 12 o'clock, you might hit them at that 9 o'clock, at the 10:30, because they didn't see it over there, they didn't hear it over there. Just keep rotating. Yeah, you can go in some deeper water as long as it's in that, shallower range. Got some motor casts here today. Doesn't look like I'm going to have any success on these, but I hope this helps you understand what it is. It's a lot of fun watching them come up to the water and strike it. And thanks for tuning in. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for chiming into Krus'n Outdoors. And don't forget, answer the Krus'n question of the week. Thanks.